So we look at the analog chorus, gospel keys, kind of effects, boss, tape slammer, more EQ. What was that? Analog chorus, Selena. Don't know what that is. All right. Let's get back to, and it's got an orb pad, kind of like a chaos pad. You can move it when the patch uses it. Oh, yeah, that's turned off. Let's see. Yeah, like a chaos pad. Turn that off. Gospel keys too. All right, inverter alpha Juno. Go octave. Monophonic. All right, alpha Juno. There we go. E piano pad. So saying pad. There it is, mod wheel. See what the next one is. Huh. Pulse pad. There we go. Yep. There we go. MkS JP. Analog class. Ooh. This is back in the 80s. Nothing on the mod wheel. Hollow pad, like a D50 sound. Ooh, that's fat. That's fat. Yeah. The wheel. The wheel in the middle of a wheel. Soundtrack. Almost sound D50-ish. Super Jupiter Brass. What's that? Classic Super Jupiter Poly. I didn't use the wheel on that other one. So I'm just messing around with the wheel. So if I edit that main, so I got 4 partials to edit. Can't do it all together. Let's see. Take that on. See, I gotta do it to all of them. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it to all of them at the same time yet. So it must be this last one. Huh. I was trying to remember how to play that Chaka Khan too. I feel for you. I think I love. Say yes. I feel for you. All right. Coming toward the end. What's that? Forgot what the bass line did. Has a wheel on the end. Rising clusters. I let go. When you let go, it does that. All right, let's see. Nice. Start an octave. Yeah. I gotta mark that. I'm marking that right there. I think I'm gonna mark that and then retro. I think I marked the retro. Square wave. Oh, lost my MkS position. Retro. Yeah, there we go. I think it's vibration from my desk. Oh no, that was something. Might be. Yep, here we go. Rising cluster. Let go. Yep. Square. Coming toward the end. That's nice. Nylon and MkS. Something like that. All right, let's see. Reminds me of Logan's Run. Subturner. Let's hit one note. Well, this is gonna make noise. Alpha Juno swell. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see. Winter. I'm going to find some more MkS Sounds and I'm going to put it in another video. And I'm going to end it right here for now. And if you like what we're doing on the channel, go ahead and drop us a like, hit subscribe, so that way you'll be notified when the next one comes out. All right, take care.